everyone, what's up? Devon Brown here, and I'm going to see if in less than 2 minutes, Tara, are you timing me?
Yes.
All right, Tara, time me. I'm going to see if in less than 2 minutes I can give you 3 ideas, 3 pieces of advice, 3 golden nuggets that will help you achieve any goal you want. All right, and the timer has already started, so let's jump right into it. All right, golden nugget number 1 for achieving any goal you want. You need to enter into whatever you're doing with the understanding that it's likely going to take a little bit longer than you would like, right? We would all love to jump into a new business opportunity and make $10,000 a month our first month. We would all love to go to the gym and lose 50 pounds, the first week. The problem is that we overestimate what we can do in 2 months and we underestimate what we can do in 2 years. So enter into it with the idea that it's likely going to take longer, with the expectation that it's likely going to take longer than you would like. That's idea number 1. Idea number 2, or golden nugget number 2 for achieving anything you want to achieve in life, is that I want you to focus. Focus stands for follow one course until successful. All you have to do is find one person, one guru, one expert, one system, one program that can show you how to get to what you want, and then follow that one thing until you get what you want. Don't go doing 8 million different things. That's not how you make more money. That gets you doing a million things, gets you further away from your goal, not closer to your goal. And number 3, the third thing that you can do is you can fall in love with the process. What you need to do is you need to create the habit, because it's the habit that gets us what we want. People don't determine their futures. They don't determine their outcomes. You just determine your habits. And then your habits determine your future. Your habits determine your outcomes. So what habit are you dedicated to, or what actions are you dedicated to making a habit of? And that will determine what you achieve. Tara, how am I on time?
1:56.
1:56. I did it. Holla at your boy. So, snap my fingers, flip my feet. I hope that was helpful. Quick recap. Number 1 was the first one I said. I completely forgot because I was so excited about the time. I forgot what I was going to say. Number 1 is, oh my gosh, and my brain just started. Oh, expect that it'll take a little bit longer than you think it will. Right? Don't get mad when you don't get it like microwave fast. Number 2, focus. Follow one course until successful. Just find one thing to follow. And then number 3, focus on creating the habit, because the habit will create the result. So I hope you found that helpful. I flip my feet. I snap my fingers. Have a great day. Like, comment, share. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.